Galaxy S10 news may prove Samsung is finally fixing the Galaxy S9's biggest annoyance. Samsung may unveil 3 new S10 smartphones in 2019 with varying fingerprint readers including in-screen and side button. The Samsung Galaxy S10 could be the first smartphone with an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the screen, but it may also feature a sensor on the side button. A new leak from reliable leakster ICE Universe has added weight to the rumor that Samsung will release 3 new Galaxy S10 smartphones early next year. The handsets codenamed Beyond will vary in biometric abilities. The most basic Beyond0 Galaxy S10 should feature a dual rear camera and a side button fingerprint sensor. This side button reader tech is not new, with Huawei and Sony already offering it on their phones. However, this does represent a change for Samsung, which traditionally either uses a fingerprint reading home button or rear button. This suggests Samsung will offer the all-screen infinity display on all the S10 models, hence having no room on the front for a button. What should be new is the ultrasonic fingerprint reader that could appear in the dual-camera toting Beyond1 S10 and the triple-camera Beyond2 S10. In-screen fingerprint readers have appeared before in Huawei's Porsche design Mate's and another form Vivo.These both use light-based sensors to detect fingerprints. Samsung is rumored to be perfecting its ultrasonic readers, which are allegedly far more accurate, meaning deeper levels of security. This could also mean a faster fingerprint reading experience to make unlocking the S10 far faster than the competition. Samsung is expected to launch its new Galaxy Note 9 at its officially announced Unpacked 2018 event on August 9. Rumors previously pointed to an underscreen fingerprint sensor in that new phablet, but since have been overrun by leaks about Samsung not yet having perfected the tech in time. It would appear that Samsung wants its top-end Galaxy S10 to push the boundaries of what is currently possible. Other leaks have shown an entire front screen with no bezels, cameras, sensors, or speakers on the new S10. This, it has been suggested, could use the screen glass to vibrate as a speaker, a pop-up selfie camera and hidden sensors beneath the screen. Apple is also expected to launch 3 new 2018 iPhone X models in September, including one with a triple lens camera.